Welcome to Land House. I'm Seth Johnson. This is the first video of 2019. Happy New Year to you and your family. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So I wanted to talk to you about what I expect for 2019 for the YouTube channel. So I'm cutting out almost all reviews unless it's one of my products or some family member's product, or if a company is willing to pay $100 for a review. That way you'll stop seeing products that you don't want to see or learn about here on the channel. Now, if it's a product that I have purchased, then I see that it has value, I may go ahead and review it on the channel, and you can watch those videos or leave them. I'm cool with either way. Also, I want to be more direct in my vlogs. Vlogs are just my daily life, or weekly life, I guess it really is. I just turn on the camera if something seems fun or interesting, but I want to be more direct. So instead of just turning on the camera and be like, oh look, here's some cool thing that's happening, talk about it, or give you some context behind why you're seeing that clip. So I just want to be just more open and clear with that. As far as content goes, I've got the new series, which it's January now. You should be seeing that soon. I've got a couple more little details that I need to work out before I can make the first video, but it should be fun. I want to be better at giving you a call to action. So whether it's thumbs up or subscribe, ringing the notification bell, whatever it may be, I'm pretty good about saying link in the description, but I'm really terrible with saying remember to hit that thumbs up button or ring the bell. So I want to be better at call to action. And so content, I've got the new series. I want to keep the vlog on Thursdays, and I really want to start bringing back ram pump videos. I have a list maybe of 10 or so videos I want to make. So if I can do one of those a week or 2 a month, something like that, give you some better content on ram pumps. We've got the new baby coming up. Ashley is really starting to feel contractions and stuff, so I'm not exactly sure how things are going to go with the new baby coming. I may be kind of stretched for time for content for a couple of months, but I'm still going to work hard to get you something to watch, because YouTube is one of my biggest passions. I like making videos and sharing the ideas that I have around the homestead here. So definitely want to keep you in the loop with my YouTube videos. I have a plan to talk to my boss and see if I can get Thursdays off. If I can go in an hour early a couple of nights, then I won't have to work my Thursday day. And that means I would have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday off at the house. And that would really give me a chance to bring you some more content. So looking forward to having that, and I hope it's gonna work out. I've been sick for the majority of December and some of November, and I'm hoping to beat this cold and start the new year off right. But in the meantime, I still have a little bit of a nasal thing going on, so you'll just have to bear with me. Let's head over to my parents' house this evening with the family and enjoy some gift unwrapping. My brother's in town, so that should be fun as well. So let's head on over there. My mom just texted and asked that I bring the camera and the tripod for taking pictures, family Christmas photos. And when I was doing that, I realized I had spoken with a fellow this morning at our local plumbing store about some components that I'm not going to be using. I buy a lot of ram pump parts, and sometimes the company sends the wrong thing. This is the thin sewer grade PVC, and I told them some of the stuff like this, I'm never going to use it. I'm going to give it to them for free. And then a company sometimes will send the wrong component, the right size but the wrong component, and I asked him if he would be willing to do either a trade or buy back some of these items. And let's see which box it is here. Yeah, I got some socket valves there, and some more stuff down here. Yeah. Oh, lots of stuff. Anyway, a lot of stuff here that I'm gonna see if they will purchase from me for a decent price. I do buy a lot of stuff there, so they should. But like for instance, I just bought all of these EMT tubes here for an upcoming project. But anyway, I thought while I'm out here, I might as well get all these together, and I'll go see them sometime this week and give them the components, and that'll free up a lot of space here in my shop.
Oh my goodness, look how big my head is. Okay, take it to maybe. Yeah. Good job, Emma. Check out of your book.
Shimmer and shine. Every year my mom goes way overboard on Christmas presents, and this year was no exception. My dad actually has to work extra hours so that mom can buy more and more stuff for us. But luckily this year she actually listened to what I had suggested, and that was not to give me any big gifts. I have everything I need. So I asked that she spend my present money on Emma and the other two kids, and that's what she did. So thank you, Mom. Well, I'm gonna say something that will probably irritate some people, but it's gonna happen. We've decided to give Laney away to somebody, and I need to give her a haircut and then bathe her. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Well, I can't say she looks great, but looks better. I think we're going to give her a bath and then do a second trimming, and that will hopefully get her prepared for giving away. She doesn't like to let her face be touched, so it was a hassle to get that trimmed. Last night, actually, Emma and I went to a New Year's Eve party. Emma made it till about 10 o'clock before she fell asleep, and we came home soon after that. And Ashley and I stayed up talking until 1:30 in the morning. It was just a good time. So, just wrapped up filming something out here, which you may not be able to see. It's the new series that's coming out here this weekend. So it should be really exciting. Well, went to the gym this morning and got a pretty awesome workout in. Ashley decided that she wants me at home during supper, which I understand. So I'm gonna go in the mornings now. Throws off my workday a little bit, but not too bad. So now I think I'm gonna go into the shop and try to get the last of those ceiling panels in before we start working on the camera gantry. Well, at our party last night, some friends of ours said that they had some friends who were in looking for a hypoallergenic dog. And so actually they're coming here in about 10 minutes to look at Laney and see if they'd like to take her home. So she may be leaving us sooner than we expected. What do you think about that, Laney? Well, Laney just went to a good home. We're both kind of sad, which we're not supposed to cry on YouTube, right? So, but anyway, they have 3 kids, and I think it's going to be a good home for her.
Really excited.
Yeah.
She immediately like dropped on her belly and like was like, "Grab my belly." So.
But.
I'm not crying though.
Well, it's hard to believe that Laney's gone. We've had her for 3 years, and she was a pretty good dog. Barked sometimes, and sometimes she was really annoying, but I think she's going to do a lot better off with somebody that has more time and can really take care of her. So I'm going to get Wally trimmed up here in a bit, and I may take out the old crate that was in there in the laundry room where they're staying, and that way we'll have more room. I'm going to put up some shelves and stuff, but anyway, it's just sad, but we think that it's for the best. I always forget the sleeve to this thing. My neighbor's kids have really been enjoying the razor that he bought. They're riding that thing around all the time now. Decided to get Wally trimmed while I was out here in the shop. I'm gonna consider that to be round 1 of probably 2. So he's gonna need a bath and then I'll trim him again. Well, I was able to get the last of the paneling right there and right there, so I think it's about time that we start using these metal pipes for the camera gantry. It's gonna be a really fun project. And I know I've hyped it up over the past couple weeks, but I really am excited about it, so should be fun. We've searched at Target and Walmart and now Lowe's to find a vacuum cleaner, and we think Lowe's is the best place. And they let you try out the vacuums too.
I don't know, they were letting me.
We just did. So I don't want you to be jealous, but we just picked up a Dyson V6, the Absolute, for $171. This thing retails for $400, so we're really excited about that. I actually want it in here, so we're thinking maybe behind the door. I'll have to see if it's going to stick out enough to get hit, which I don't think it will. I guess I could put it right there.
So,
where?
here. There's a plug-in right here.
I don't know. It just kind of sticks out there. But, or maybe you want it to be a focal point of the, look what we have. I think that was a no. Just got this thing installed here. It has a lot more attachments than I thought it did. It has this kind of brush here, the usual long piece. Has this down here, which is kind of a felt, I don't know, maybe dust kind of thing. And then it came with your standard vacuum type piece. Then it's got this bigger debris brush, which is kind of cool. And then lastly, just like your regular scrubber with suction there. But anyway, for $171, should be pretty cool. We'll have to wait till next week to give it a try because it has to charge for a few hours. I didn't tell you why we had to buy this new vacuum cleaner. We had a cheap $50 Bissell vacuum cleaner that we've used for the past 3 years. And actually was cleaning the floors and all of a sudden it just started smoking and it didn't stop smoking. Apparently it was on fire. So I don't know if a belt slipped and it just burnt or what, but it was cheap and pretty bad. So we searched all day for this, finally found it, and got an amazing deal at Lowe's, which was really good. So also, now that we don't have Laney, we bought a little dog bed for Wally. We're gonna get rid of this one because it's had lots of pee and poop on it. And we've decided to take the old crate out of here because it takes up a lot of room. And I'm gonna make some shelves here, hopefully if I can find some studs. There should be at least one in here and maybe one in the corner I can get to. Anyway, have shelves here and take that out. It'll just open up a lot of space here in our laundry room because we don't have much. I was just checking out that dog crate and I don't think I'm gonna take it apart. I'm just gonna set it out at the trash, and if somebody wants it they can have it. If not, it's just trash. Well, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Been out here in the shop taking some product photos of the Ram pumps. I haven't really updated the Land to House website in, I'm gonna say, about 3 years. So it's time, and I'm using some new themes and trying to make it look more professional. But all the content is still there. But that being said, I'd like if you would please head over to landtohouse.com and just check out the site. And if you see something that is just horribly off, if you'd shoot me an email at landtohouse@gmail.com and just tell me your thoughts. You know, if a broken link, or if there is continuity issues, or if you like the design, or if you think colors are off or whatever. But I'm updating everything. So the pictures you see when you first get there, I want to take some higher quality Ram pump related. I'm just kind of testing out theme options. But anyway, it would mean a lot to me if you would head over there and just give me your opinion on the website. And if you're watching this video a year from now, then still go over there and check it out and see if there's anything messed up. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have some plans for next week that should be fun. Oh, we just got back from our baby appointment, the 33-week appointment, I believe, and all was good. So we go back in 2 weeks, and then after that we start going every week, and it'll be time. So looking forward to that. It's going to be fun, exciting, and scary at the same time. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.